Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying prerequisites: subscription, resource group, and an instantiated data factory. Next, register linked services for source and sync so connectivity is established. This matters because pipelines depend on those endpoints. Create a new pipeline and drop a copy data activity into the canvas to start moving data. Once done, configure source dataset and sync dataset fields. Make sure to save after each change so you don't lose mapping work and can run a debug without errors. Once the pipeline skeleton exists, set up datasets and define schema mapping. This is where you control column transformations and types so data integrity remains intact. Use parameters and variables to make file paths, table names, or partitions dynamic. This saves manual edits later. If transformations are complex, add a data flow activity and tune partitioning for parallelism. Finally, attach a trigger. Choose manual for testing, scheduled for batches, or event-based for near real-time processing to automate runs reliably. You run a debug to validate logic, then publish and trigger a full execution once things look correct. Use the monitor view to watch activity durations, throughput, and failure messages so you understand performance and bottlenecks. If a run fails, inspect the error details link and logs immediately. Common fixes are credential rotation, schema mismatches, or missing files. Make targeted changes, retry only the failed activity if possible, and rerun to confirm the pipeline completes successfully. This iterative loop prevents repeat failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.